Hello, people, and we are back on mini proposal workshop. So, chapter 5, stakeholder network. Here we want to know who are the stakeholders of the proposals and how the stakeholders benefit from this proposal. Once we have ideated on the stakeholders and their benefits, we will go into which stakeholder this proposal will engage the most. So we have the highest engaged stakeholder to understood, and we give a reason why will you engage with this the most. And why we have this kind of template is because you always want to kind of have an orientation and understanding where does your proposal position among all the possible people who could be related to that. And if you do bring it out specifically in proposals, or at least mention it, who does it benefit, it gives better understanding for both assessors and voters what kind of impact this proposal and who does get the benefits. And we completed chapter 5, stakeholder network. So we ideated on the stakeholders. So we had like proposers, assessors, voters, other educators who are tied between in the larger groups and smaller groups. We ideated on the benefits all of these roles and stakeholders will get from having this proposal. For example, spending less time searching for what information proposal should include, or they could find value to incorporate with their own work. So other educators, when they look at this, oh, interesting, I didn't think about this question, and then they can include it into their work flow. And then finally, we ideated on, okay, who should be the main target. It was an easy case in our because we already in the solution statement, we are targeting proposers. And why we chose proposers? Because they are the source of innovation. They explain what are current issues, how to solve them, and how much it costs. So basically all the problems start from here if the proposal is not well made, and the proposers are basically the people who write the proposals. With this, chapter 5 is concluded.